Before starting video, please subscribe to our channel. Increasing views on YouTube involves a combination of creating high-quality content, optimizing your channel and videos for discoverability, and actively promoting your content. Here are some actionable tips to help you get more views. Create high-quality content. Understand your audience, research your target audience, and create content that solves their problems or entertains them. Consistency. Post regularly and maintain a consistent theme or style to keep your audience engaged. Engaging thumbnails. Design eye-catching and relevant thumbnails to attract clicks. Compelling titles. Use attention-grabbing titles with keywords that reflect your content accurately. Optimize for search SEO keywords. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, TubeBuddy, or Vidic to find relevant keywords for your niche. Descriptions. Write detailed video descriptions that include keywords naturally. Tags. Use specific tags related to your video content and niche. Closed captions. Add subtitles to make your content accessible and improve SEO. Improve watch time. Strong hook. Grab attention within the first 10 seconds. Content flow. Keep your videos engaging and avoid long, irrelevant tangents. Call to action CTAs. Encourage viewers to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Use playlists. Group similar videos into playlists to increase watch time and encourage binge watching. Use engaging titles for your playlists to attract clicks. Promote your videos. Social media. Share your videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. Collaborations. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche to cross-promote content. Email marketing. Use your email list to share new videos with your subscribers, forums, and communities. Share your content on relevant forums like Reddit or niche-specific Facebook groups. Be mindful of rules. Analyze and improve. YouTube analytics. Regularly check analytics to understand what's working and what's not. Audience retention. Identify where viewers drop off and improve future videos to keep them engaged. Experiment. Test different formats, lengths, or styles to see what resonates. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and create a sense of community. Ask viewers for feedback or ideas for future videos. Leverage trends. Create content around trending topics in your niche. Use tools like Google Trends or Twitter's trending page to find popular topics. To get more informative videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching video.